What you doing?
That's Nappy Poo-Poo.
Nappy Poo-Poo?
Nappy. Wait. Look, Mira. Let's see.
What you doing, Giselle?
It's okay. It's okay. Like it?
It's okay.
Like it? So good. Let's baby.
Hi. What are you doing? Hello. Good morning.
Baby.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
He's saying someone's lot those things.
She's changing the nappy.
Oh, okay. Are you changing the nappy?
Nappy.
Have you even had a shower, nurse?
What? First,
Okay.
Babu.
Pull his legs out. Do it fast, Kane. Oh, it's hard work, is it, Giselle? Oh, I think he's pupus.
Poo-Poo.
Yeah, did you get the wipes?
I think Poo-Poo. I think Poo-Poo.
Well, you got to get his legs out. How are you going to change his nappy?
Later.
Yeah, get his legs out. Go on. You haven't finished. You only half job.
No.
Like cousin.
No.
Cousin Well. Half job.
No.
Okay, get his legs out. Okay, are you going to pull his legs out? Be gentle.
It's okay. It's okay, baby. No.
Pull his legs out.
It's nappy.
Yeah, pull the legs out.
It's nappy.
I know, get the legs out. Get his legs out.
What do you think? That's nappy. Okay. Hey. Let's just.
The nappy's here.
The nappy.
There.
The
There.
nappy.
Here, in front of you.
Vanilla.
There.
Oh.
And the wipes.
Wipes. And then wipes. Right, baby.
You right there, nurse?
That's a nose.
Oh, you need 2 nappies? Okay, quickly. His bum's cold. Watch out.
Good. Bum's cold.
Yeah. Okay, how are you going to get his legs out?
Like that.
Yeah.
Maybe. Look. What, baby? Baby. Oh no.
Okay, that's great. Do you want us to do it?
Do it.
Oh, great job.
Hey, mommy.
Oh, thanks. Thank you. Okay, you want me to do it now? You've been a great help. Hey. Don't waste the wipes. You haven't even taken his legs out.
Like that.
Yeah.
That's
Okay, you want me to do it?
No.
Giselle, Giovanni's cold. Hurry up.
He's cold.
Yeah, hurry up.
The one is cold.
Yeah, Giovanni.
The one is cold.
He said for you to wipe your Luca.
He said, Luca.
Yeah, you wipe your nose. Okay, thank you. Don't waste the nappy.
Okay. Hey, Popo. Hey, Popo. Popo. Hey, Popo. Hey, Popo. Hey, Dad.
Thank you. Bye.
Say bye. Bye to Lissy. Bye to Lissy. Say bye.
Let's see.
Bye.